Right, so I'm actually channeling a couple of different songs. The first one being Chemtrails, which I have channeled before. And the next one is, I don't know who it's by, but it's I Don't Wanna Live Without You. It might be a Jonas Brothers song. I don't know. But you might know. The lyrics, I think, are what matter the most because that's what I'm being shown and that's what I'm hearing. So this does lead me to believe that there is someone who you are connected to who is having a hard time possibly being away from you, or this is somebody who is just coming to the realization that you have what they are looking for, that you have what they want. And okay, what's coming through about this specific person is that they are someone who takes care of what they have. Like this is not somebody who needs to learn what you were to them after it's too late or after you've already left. Like this is somebody who is going to get it right the first time is what I'm being told. Now I am being shown the image of a proposal, but that doesn't mean that this is something that is happening right now. This could just be a symbol that this isn't leading to marriage, that this is leading to a more a higher level of commitment from this person. It could also be an indication that this person has imagined the thought of getting down on one knee, because the image I'm receiving specifically is them getting down on one knee. So this person, I'm being told that they're feeling a sort of pressure right now, maybe because of that image, and that could be having the opposite effect on how they are coming forward to you. Like this is somebody who they didn't really expect to become tied down, or it's not something that they ever really desired. Like it wasn't a priority to this person. The thought of that level of commitment, of getting down on one knee to someone. Split the deck to the Eight of Wands. So this is a sort of breakthrough for this person, because and like I said, it could have the opposite effect, because they're like, whoa, wait a second. No, this wasn't in the plan. Like this I did not see happening. So we're going to pull some cards, find out a little bit more about what you can expect within this connection between you and this person. Thank you, God. Thank you, angels. What would you like us to know at this time? Yeah, so this to me is the energy of them keeping to themselves at the time, or it could also just be that they are not necessarily being fully honest with you. And we do have the Three of Swords, so this person could be a bit guarded because of what has happened in the past. So they could be keeping to themselves because of what they've experienced in the past, but we do have the Wheel of Fortune. This feels like coming out of something. So coming out of this period of lack of movement, lack of communication. And we have the Knight of Wands and the Ace of Wands. And guess who they're coming straight to share this communication with? Yeah. So this to me is a symbol and indication that this person is finally giving into the connection. They're no longer running from, it's like the inevitable is what it feels like. Or like I said, you could be experiencing where, oh my God, they're having that thought, they're realizing this is a higher level of commitment, and they're kind of running the other way. So you could be experiencing either or. I'm going to pull a card for confirmation on this just to see where this channel wants to go. So Six of Wands. Okay. Fresh, new beginning. New opportunity to establish trust in love, new opportunity to expand in love with this person is also what's coming through. And this is just a symbol of abundance, especially when it shows up in a love reading. So I don't feel like this person is running from this connection. It's, to me, a symbol of running to this connection. And we do have the King of Wands and the Fool on the bottom of the deck. This is going to require a leap of faith. And we do have the Star card following the Fool. This is going to require a leap of faith from you. This is going to require your trust, because that's something that's very important to this person. Like this person might be weighed down by lack of trust and past connections, or this could be something that already happened between the two of you. Whatever it is, like this new beginning in love is needed for you both. And you, as this shining star energy coming forward with this trust, is actually what is going to allow this person to exist in this King of Wands energy, allowing them to be stable and coming forward to you with this emotional offer. This is also an indication of a strong emotional offer coming from this person. So it's not just words that they're coming forward to you with. It's going to be backed by action as well. So I'm going to pull a couple of more cards. Thank you, God. Thank you, angels. Is there anything else you would like us to know? Ace of Swords. That's some pretty serious energy. Three of Pentacles and the Hierophant. This is some pretty serious energy here. Like really intense energy. This could be the intensity of the connection that you feel. This could also be like, okay, what's coming through is that there's going to be something that happens that pulls the two of you together in such an intense way. And Karma is playing out with this as well. Because for some reason, the two of you are keys to like this. I'm literally being shown a portal being opened from the two of you coming together. So something like life-changing taking place. And it's almost like clearing out karmic debts is what this feels like. Like whatever it is that takes place between the both of you that you are both going to experience, it's going to clear out karmic debts for you both because you both play such an important role in this coming together. I'm going to pull one more card for what this portal might be. Knight of Pentacles. This is a leadership energy. This is like bringing a sense of taking control of something, like taking control of a destiny, but also like a new way of loving, like a new way of existing. You're bringing, like this portal leads to something so powerful for you both, but there's also, it involves something outside of you. Like whatever you create together is what this portal holds, is what is going to be leading the way. Really powerful energy. Wow. I'm being kind of pulled back away from it, so I'm not going to go much further. If you do feel called to dive into your personal love connection, readings are available through my website. You can click the link in my bio. My one-on-one sessions via YouTube are open and available if you do feel called. Wow, okay. I just had a whole love reading disappear, but I'm going to give you the good parts. This love connection that is coming in for you, it is meant to be kept a secret. It is happening for you. This person is coming in for you. I want to show you. This is the card that stood out the most in this entire reading. And it is the Four of Wands. Where even is it? That's crazy. Okay. The Four of Wands is what stood out the most to me. You and this person are one and the same. You were bred from the same cloth. You were born from the same cloth. The way that you mesh together, the way that you move together, the way that your energy moves with one another. There are people in your life, there are people around you who are not where you are at, who are not meant to receive this love connection the way that you are meant to receive this love connection. And so God is asking you to move in silence and move in secrecy, not because you are doing something wrong and not because you have something to hide, but because you have something so special worth preserving. And this preservation period, this time period where it's just you and this person working it out, making things happen together, communicating, like really getting to know one another on a deep level and connecting on that deep level soulfully, recognizing each other on that level. It's not meant to, it's going to attract a lot of attention, but it's not meant to keep a lot of attention. Like this love connection is meant to hold space for you and your person, and that's it. Like the moves that you are going to make together are so powerful. You need to stay connected to your person, and that is it. It is meant to be you and your person and God energy surrounding the both of you. Because to build this kingdom that you are about to build, I'm hearing all hands on deck, all bets are off, and all ears are set. Like all people around you cannot know what you are doing. Even the people that you love the most, even the people that love you the most. This is meant to be between you and your person. This is so serious because out of that entire 10-minute reading that I recorded, this was the message that stuck out to me the most. Was that you and this person are meant to move in silence together. Also, my neighbor's black cat is moving in really closely right now. So that could be a sign for you. Also, there was the energy of separation, the energy of going through a lot in love, having a lot of disappointments, having to leave people leaving you, whatever that looks like for you. There's a lot of that coming in the beginning, and then we moved into this energy of, hey, listen, this person that you are connecting with, it's meant for you. Like, this connection is meant for you and no one else. So keep it between you and no one else. I love you so much. If you would like to dive into your personal love connection, readings are available through my website. You can click the link in my bio.